Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 182A Acton Avenue in Rivervale. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is in a cul-de-sac location, plus it has the privacy and security of a rear home. So you're looking for a home with room to move and low maintenance, this should be on your shopping list. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of 182A Acton Avenue, Rivervale. If you've been looking for a private home in a quiet cul-de-sac, this is the one for you. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.